Imagine this. The most distant human-made object in the universe, NASA's Voyager 1, is still sending us valuable data after over 45 years in space. For months, it transmitted puzzling gibberish, but now it's back on track, revealing astonishing secrets about the cosmos. From uncovering hidden layers of our solar system to crossing into the uncharted depths of interstellar space, Voyager has redefined what we thought we knew. But just how far have these spacecraft traveled? What groundbreaking discoveries have they made? And could we in fact be living inside a colossal cosmic bubble? Let's dive in to explore the mysteries unraveled by these remarkable missions. It all began on September 5th, 1977, when Voyager 1 launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida, aboard a Titan Centaur rocket, just 2 weeks after its twin, Voyager 2. These spacecraft were designed for a mere 5-year mission to study the outer planets, yet they've exceeded every expectation, continuing to send data from nearly 15 billion miles away. Capitalizing on a once-in-a-century planetary alignment, the Voyagers used gravitational slingshots to leap from one planet to the next. Voyager 1 focused on Jupiter and Saturn, while Voyager 2 became the only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune. Each flyby offered discoveries that reshaped our understanding of the outer solar system, solidifying the Voyager's legendary status. But there's more to these spacecraft than science. Each carries a golden record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds, music, and greetings intended for any extraterrestrial life that might stumble upon them. A bold statement of humanity's curiosity and hope. Fast forward to August 25, 2012. Voyager 1 made history by crossing the heliopause, the boundary where the solar wind collides with the interstellar medium. For the first time, humanity reached interstellar space. 6 years later, Voyager 2 followed suit. What lies beyond the heliosphere? Voyager's data revealed a denser, hotter interstellar medium than scientists had anticipated. Voyager 2, with its functional plasma instrument, detected a fascinating porous boundary, particles flowing in and out like water seeping through cracks in a rock. The heliosphere itself is like a massive protective bubble powered by the solar wind. Stretching 11 billion miles from the Sun, it shields us from harmful cosmic radiation. But this bubble isn't static. It's constantly shaped by the Sun's magnetic field and the galaxy's forces. Beyond the heliopause, Voyager 1 recorded something extraordinary. A faint, persistent hum in the interstellar plasma, a quiet but constant signal that reveals the subtle activity of this vast, mysterious region. Meanwhile, Voyager 2 uncovered critical data about the Sun's influence on its surroundings. As the spacecraft approached the boundary, the solar wind slowed, heated, and condensed. These observations have expanded our understanding of how stars interact with the space around them. And then, there's Uranus. Recent reanalysis of Voyager 2's decades-old data suggests its moons may be geologically active, with hidden oceans beneath their icy surfaces. It's a tantalizing reminder of the mysteries waiting to be uncovered in our own backyard. Today, both Voyagers continue to drift further into interstellar space. Voyager 1 is heading toward a distant star in the constellation Camelopardalis, while Voyager 2 is on course for Ross 248. Though their power supplies will run out by the 2030, their journey will carry them across the galaxy for millions of years, a testament to humanity's ingenuity and curiosity. But as incredible as these missions are, they also highlight how much we don't know. With only 2 points of data, the true shape of the heliosphere remains a mystery. Is it spherical, comet-like, or something else entirely? To answer these questions, we'll need a new generation of interstellar explorers, missions that could take decades or even centuries to complete. The Voyager missions have given us more than just data. They've given us perspective, a glimpse into the vastness of the universe and our small but significant place within it. Who knows what other wonders await us in the uncharted frontier? So what do you think Voyager's next big discovery might be? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the cosmos. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep looking up.